Probably he's not getting what it's on.
And I called him out on it.
He probably do.
He told me that
You're taking a video?
Don't move here. Don't be fruit fighted.
See? Wait, actually.
Oh man, he's so courageous, man.
Yes.
Doesn't even scared about human beings, huh? Usually they'll just simply fly off, right?
Don't be frightened. Don't be frightened.
Oh man.
you don't listen to me talk enough. I said, you don't listen to me talk enough. I tell Denise stuff all
Too much.
Yeah, let's do this.
Oh, they were talking on the phone. I'll be like, wait a second. Put him on mute.
I'll give it.
Oh, really? Can't say that. No way.
You can have this tomato. You want tomato? Okay.
I think he's your best friend now.
Joe's best.
Yeah,
Generally, yeah. No, totally.
And put it in that small tissue and keep it next to you. You're littering your place.
This is good.
Oh, he liked it. Wow.
And I love
Oh,
no. This is doing. That has nothing to do. I'm not saying anything about the or anything like that. I'm just saying. Here's
Oh man.
that's just how it is.
He likes rice. So.
no, it's fruits, I think.
Probably he likes
Yeah, rice.
rice.
Yeah, rice. Yeah, rice.
Exactly.
Yes, yes.
Right? So,
You spoiled my.
Drink. Oh man.
Too much.
Okay. I think you gotta get on. Go to some other table.